So I wanted to get some raw footage of this blow dryer brush. I mean, I use it every morning before I go to work, and I be at work looking good, as y'all know. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off. You know, I should have did this before I press start. Well, y'all can see what I'm working with. Okay, so this is before the blow dryer brush. I normally don't like tangles or anything. See, it's still tangled. Okay, so I hate notifications. Well, I'm gonna start at the bottom. Give it a little curl. So before, after. What's up? Don't do that. That shit was hot. Yes, that brush gets hot, baby. Okay, so this is after the blow dryer brush. So you know what to do. Click on the orange card icon in this video and get your blow dryer brush. So you know you can be dang wherever you go.